Hey, hey, welcome back to EazyTalk. Don't forget, grab your notebook and pen because today's lesson is super fun.
Yeah, we're going to the train station. Maybe we'll catch the train or maybe we'll miss it. Let's see.
Imagine you're standing at a busy train station. People are rushing, trains are coming and going, and you need to buy a ticket. Let's go.
Excuse me, where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy a ticket at the counter.
What time does the train leave?
The train leaves at 5:30.
Which platform is it?
It's platform number 3.
Oh no, it's 5:29. I have to run.
Hurry up, don't miss it. Okay, guys, say it with me. Repeat out loud. Excuse me, where can I buy a ticket? The train leaves at 5:30. It's platform number 3.
Come on, louder. Imagine the train is leaving without you. Toot toot.
Now slowly, word by word, and don't forget to speak with me. Excuse me, where can I buy a ticket? The train leaves at 5:30. It's platform number 3.
Let's make it easy. Excuse me means polite way to start a question. Leaves at means departs at. Time. Platform is the place where you wait for the train.
And if you forget the platform, you'll be waiting forever. Your turn. Which one is correct? The train leaves at 5:30?
The train go at 5:30? Say the correct one now, or I'll leave without you. Toot toot!
Great job! You just learned super useful sentences for the train station.
Don't forget, shadowing only works if you speak out loud. Don't be shy.
Like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson, maybe at the airport or the cafe. Bye!